So if you guys watched my video, my short video from the gymnasium this morning, this is maybe why you clicked on this video. Guys, in this video, we're going to go over the final steps for our drop servicing website that is being built on Shopify. And if you're new to this channel, guys, the first link in the description will be a 90-day or 3-month trial for Shopify for $3 whole. So I urge you to click on that, especially if you're going to follow along in this drop servicing tutorial. And big announcement, guys, make sure you stay to the end of this video, because your cash cow is going to be giving away some big moolah. Anyway, guys, I'll flip it around and we'll get this party started. Did you miss me? Anyway, guys, so if you are new to this channel, this beautiful face has been making money online for 25 years, over 25 years, actually. The majority of everything that I do, or the way I make money online, is with drop servicing, obviously, and Shopify, print on demand, affiliate marketing, blah to the blah to the blah. So anyway, guys, this is our beautiful website. And like I said in the last video, guys, I'm not quite sure where I want to go with this, but I would say it's about 80% complete. And I'm just going to go through here real quick and show you guys what I've done, and I'll tell you about the cash cow type giveaway here in just a few moments. Still looking for a sponsor. So anyway, guys, all right. So this is it. Again, if you are new here, check out my drop servicing playlist. I created like 9 or 10 videos. A huge tutorial last year, and then make sure you watch the other videos. I think this is video number 4, and it will be the last one of this drop servicing video series using Shopify, by the way. So guys, again, I really don't know what I want to do with this website. Actually, I do, but I'm not going to tell you just yet. But I'm just showing you what I've done. Added this yesterday. They click on here, learn more, takes them to the contact us. It's looking way better than I thought it would, since we're using Shopify for this drop servicing website. But again, guys, I filled out, a few more reviews. They click on here, it's going to take them to more testimonials, which I'm still doing, as you can see here, guys. And some of you asked me, where do you get the reviews? You get the reviews from the actual supplier that you find on Fiverr or Upwork, or wherever you find the person. I mean, this is my guy right here. And I reached out to him the other day just to thank him for what he's done with Pebble Beach Insider. We're going on close to 300 new followers in just 2 weeks, which is awesome because they're all real and organic and are in the golf niche. So guy does amazing work. Then guys, you just simply go through the reviews, because I've got to add quite a few more, which isn't hard, but tweak the content or whatever it says and make it pertain to whatever you're doing, obviously. And again, one of the reasons I'm struggling with where I want to go with this is because I don't want to get involved with having to log into people's Instagram accounts. Not saying that they wouldn't allow that. Obviously they would, but the time constraints, he's in Serbia, blah, blah, blah. So I think that's why what I'm going to do with the website is I'm going to do two plans. I'm going to do basic and standard plans just using his hashtag method. And then the other, like the premium plan that I'm going to offer, is going to be hashtags plus the unfollow follow method. And if you guys don't know about any of this, the follow unfollow method on Instagram has been working for years. It still does. But they do only allow you to follow so many people in a day and like so many posts in a day, blah blah blah. Again, that's where I'm at with this website. And let me just go. I'll continue showing you guys what I've done. Obviously, I'm gonna add probably like 9 reviews, maybe only 6 to the testimonials page. And I am figuring out, I'm adding the questions to the frequently asked questions. So I made it a drop down menu, guys. I made it where this one's populated, it automatically shows so they don't have to click on it to read it. It's just on the first one. So as you can see, now I haven't done that. I haven't done that. There's actually a lot of questions that need to be answered here for the future clients. What else have I done? And I haven't even done any of the plans yet, guys, because I'm not 100% sure where I want to take it. But obviously the homepage is pretty much done. They click on here, it's going to take them to the frequently asked questions. I might actually make that like FAQ instead of saying how it works, but I think how it works is better. And then it takes them to there. What about this little image that I got? Made that with Midjourney. But anyway, guys, I mean, it's basically ready to go, other than just adding a few more testimonials and frequently asked questions and filling out the growth plans. But you're probably wondering, what's the $3,000 giveaway about? Guys, I thought long and hard about this over the last few days. If this video you're watching right now, and hopefully you're still here, because if you're not, well, then you're going to miss the frickin' boat. I'm going to give one of you an entire business that I made myself. I'm almost going to... I get teary-eyed when I do this kind of stuff, because I know a lot of you don't know what you're doing with trying to make money online or drop servicing and all of that good stuff. Fortunately, guys, I've made many websites I've probably made 75 different websites over the years. But so it's very easy for me. Well, not easy, but somewhat easier than you having to do it yourself. So I thought, you know what? If this video can get 2,500 likes, and I'm just trying to think here, guys, because obviously this is a big deal. I mean, because you guys, you're getting the domain name, which is an amazing domain name for this niche. And you're getting everything that I created. And if one of you do win the website, I will finish building it out. If no one wins it, I'm not gonna. I shouldn't say I'm not gonna build it out, because knowing me, I will. I want to get more into the affiliate marketing game, back into the affiliate marketing game a little bit more, or put my attention more towards affiliate marketing and actually print on demand. I'm trying to think, guys, what the rules need to be here. I've done this before, and it got a little weird. But obviously, guys, you have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like this video, obviously. And guys, you're going to have to share this all over the frickin' planet in order for us to get, what did I say, 3,000 likes? 3,000 likes, guys. And if I can get my account to, let me just see what it's at right now. So guys, we're at 2026. And I'm gonna let this play out, guys, until Sunday evening. And I will announce the winner some point on Monday. So it's quite a long time to do this, but I would like the channel to be at 2,500, 3,000 likes. And obviously, guys, watch it, share it, and do all that good stuff. And if I do have a winner, guys, again, that the winner will be announced on this coming Monday. And another little step you need to take is I want you to email me at silentcashcow@gmail.com, and I want you to tell me why you deserve to have this website given to you. Yeah, I'll go over it one more time. I do everything off the cuff. If you're new here, you're probably like, what? This guy's all over the map. And yes, I am, but that's me. In Carmel by the sea. Okay, so we need 2,500 subscribers, which is about, what is that, about 400, and we need 425 new subscribers, and the video has got to get 3,000 likes, and shoot me an email telling me why this website should be yours. And guys, I will help, if someone does win it, I will help you, not overly help you, but I will help you with the marketing and give you some tips and tricks with your new Shopify website if you win it. So anyway, guys, again, short video, but I want to let you guys know that this is a huge deal. I hope you guys understand that, and I look forward to giving it away. I hope that I can. But anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap up this epic video, and I will see you guys. Definitely, I will see you Monday morning, regardless if it sells or we meet all the rules and all that. I will come on here on Monday and let you guys know what's going on. And I wish you all a wonderful and safe weekend. And guys, I'll see you on Monday for sure. Again, you're going to have to share this all over the frickin' planet. So I'll see you then. Peace.